to add products to your Wix. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then log into your Wix account. And then here, what you want to do is to simply click this plus icon here. Go to the right side, and here on the search bar, what you want to do is to type store and then press enter. Now you will see options below, but you just have to go directly to Wix Store. If you don't have a store yet, you have to click this one. Now under Wix App Market or Wix Stores, what you want to do is to click this ad again. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then once done, what you want to do is to simply go to this area. As you can see, you can add products here. You can manage the product, but I suggest that you tap this add products and it will take you directly to this page where you can see all of the products here. What you want to do is to simply select all of this, go to more actions, and then click delete. And it will delete all of the unnecessary products here. To add product, you just have to click this new product and then choose physical or digital. So let's just tap this digital here. And then next is you have to upload a file from your device. You can choose from any of the options here. For me, I choose image. And then here I have to import the image from my computer. Let's just say this is my item or product. This is what it looks like, and I'm selling a perfume. So you can also add tags if you want, and then click this add product below. Now, once done, all you have to do is to enter some information like the name of your product. And then here you can put as new arrival, hot, or everything is up to you. Description of your item, your product here. And then after that, you can add image and videos again. And then if you scroll down, you will see there the price. So all you have to do is to enter the price. And then once done, what you want to do is to click save. And that's how easy it is to add products here on Wix. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.